Let us continue our topic of polynomials and proceed with the classification of polynomials on the basis of their degree. The degree of a polynomial in one variable is the largest exponent or the highest power of the variable in that polynomial. Let us consider some examples. 2. 2 over here is a constant polynomial and there is no variable with 2. So, it is actually a polynomial of degree 0 because it can be considered as 2x raised to the power 0. 4x plus 1. This is a polynomial with degree 1 because the highest power of the variable is 1. Such polynomials are called linear polynomials. This is a second degree polynomial because the highest power is 2. Such polynomials are called quadratic polynomials. And this one is having degree 3. So these are known as cubic polynomials. So the types of polynomials on the basis of degree are constant polynomial, a polynomial with degree 0, linear polynomial with degree 1, quadratic polynomial with degree 2, and cubic polynomials with degree 3. Now, something interesting. What is the degree of the monomial which is not in one variable? In such a scenario, the degree is actually the sum of the exponents of the variables in the monomial. So the degree of this monomial is 6 because we add the exponents 4 and 2. So this monomial can be referred to as a 6th degree monomial. But as of now, we would be focusing our study to polynomials of one variable. Now, classify the polynomials by degree and the number of terms. So, let us have the following examples. We will be making a tabular representation of these polynomials and classifying on the basis of their degree and the number of terms. Case 1. 5 has degree 0 because it's a constant polynomial. So, it's named as a constant polynomial. And on the basis of number of terms, it's a monomial. Second, this has degree 1 because the highest power of the variable is 1 and it's named a linear polynomial. And on the basis of the number of terms, it's a binomial. Third, it has degree 2 and on the basis of that, its name is a quadratic polynomial. On the basis of number of terms, it's a binomial. The last one, the degree is 3 and its name is a cubic polynomial. On the basis of the number of terms, it is a trinomial because it has 3 terms. Standard form. To rewrite a polynomial in the standard form, we actually do some rearrangement. We rearrange the terms of the polynomial, starting with the largest degree term and ending with the lowest degree term. The leading coefficient is the coefficient of the first term in the polynomial written in the standard form. Let us try out some examples. Write the polynomials in the standard form. We observe that we'll have to do some rearrangement. So the first is 4x to the power 4 minus x square plus 5x minus 7. The constant term always comes in the end. Let us consider one more example. 2x cube. Here, 2x cube will actually fall in the second place and minus x to the power 4 comes in the first place. And we rearrange them in the descending order of the degree and this is the final answer that we obtain. Minus x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 7. This is the polynomial expressed in the standard form. And again we see that the constant comes in the last place. That's all for today's lesson. Have a nice day.